our group of children are going to any formal event without wearing shoes, proper unders, blah blah blah, a night or two around the house just so they can make sure they have what it is and it fits. Because I'm like this, not attractive in a strap.
I think you guys must be able to laugh at me when I'm bending over
Oh my.
and picking up the poop.
You know what, Gary?
I keep thinking about that.
You don't like the propane.
Never look because
It's like,
Gary, do we need some potato gun Viagra?
don't point it
they're
at
not
Gary.
organic. Gary needs organic potatoes.
Gary
Yeah.
only shoots organic potatoes.
Orgasmic potatoes.
Ah.
Yes.
I'll,
All right.
yes, I'll agree with that.
Ah, it's fresh, yeah.
That's quite the cannon dance.
It is pretty amazing.
This disturbs me a little bit. A propane fired cannon.
Now we got a rotten potato in the
Please,
way.
I used to have a propane because I was alive in the 80s. A propane hair curler because we could use electricity on the
Look
ship.
for the beautiful symbol with the dinghy behind it, name for it.
But an extra whole hairspray.
Potato cannon going here.
What I'm talking about.
Tony, come on out. Come on out. Oh, don't worry on TV. Come on out here.
Watch foolish adults
Come on,
behave
watch
like
your
children.
life. Vince
Stand
was like,
back.
all
You
right,
have
I'm
to
There
into
it
stand
that.
goes.
back. We don't want. We
Mr.
don't want.
Lance,
I
you
need
gonna
you to
shoot
now
it?
stand back, Tony.
Go straight
Yep.
out, straight
I
out.
can't
Right
help
there.
it. Fire in the hole!